Hey, kings and queens, welcome to Kicking It with Pink Mukbang. This is my first time doing this, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Today we're eating shrimps. Oh, sorry, my light went off. That's crazy. We're back. Alright then. Today we're eating shrimps, fried shrimps, fries. I have some pretzels here with some hummus, and I also have some tartar sauce. So let's begin. This is so good. It's crunchy. Mm. Mm. So today I want to talk to you guys about faith. Ooh. Faith, faith, faith. Because it took faith for me to actually step out and do this challenge. Not challenge, do this channel. Challenge to do this channel. And to believe in myself. And not to look at what's going on around me and saying like, oh, everybody's doing it. So, everybody sell bread. But people still buy it. This is good. I kept debating with myself, saying, is people gonna like my channel or what they gonna say? That's all out the window now. I don't care no more. Cause I'm here and I'm dope in real life. So, oh my god, this shrimp so good. If you ever want to accomplish something, you want to do something, do it. Don't listen to doubt or fear. Do it. Mm. This is hummus. This is actually good. This is the spicy kind. You'll never give up on yourself. Believe in yourself. No matter what no one says, you can do it. Believe. So, I got my crystals with me. Mm-hmm. My crystals. I love them. Have positive energy around you. People who motivate you. People who love you. People who want to see you win. If you don't have that around you, don't get discouraged. Just build you a new team, baby. Build you a brand new team. My cup here. Cranberry juice is the only thing that I drink. And water. So if you don't see me with cranberry juice, you will see me with some water. It's 2020. There's no need for the doubt, the fear. Just do it. Just step out on faith and do it. I'm a living and witness testimony. Like, you can do it. Seriously. I know this is my first channel, my first video. But I have faith in myself. And I'm here to give y'all some love and positivity, honey. So, I ain't got time for that. That hate, that jealousy, that envy. We got enough of that going around. Let's spread some love, honey. It's so good, y'all. I don't ate this food and I forgot to bless my food, y'all. Let's stop eating right quick. Heavenly Father, we thank you for your grace. We thank you for your mercy. We thank you for the hands that prepared this food. Amen. I don't know what's going on. My light keep going off. Y'all, my phone just paused. But guess what? We're about to keep on going. We sure is. Ain't nothing stopping this. Not nothing at all. His grace is sufficient. Understand me? If nothing else is not sufficient, His grace is. Girl, this time is busting. So good. Dropping stuff. So I love to hear from y'all guys. From you guys, I love feedback. This is so good. I want to try this with the hummus. That's good too. The hummus is good, so let's try it together. Good. So remember, don't give up on yourself. Continue to keep pushing for greatness. Look yourself in the mirror and say, I am her. Yes, I'm a queen. I will not take nothing less than what I am. I'm a king. I will not take nothing less than what I am. Yes. You deserve love. You deserve happiness, wealth, and prosperity. Honey, it's 2020. You better step into your purpose. And stop sitting around and wondering what people gonna think and say. So, they gonna talk whether you're doing good or bad. Positive only. "2020. That's good. That's good. Try something different. My my positive quote before I close out. Oh my gosh, I'm full. I'm getting full, y'all. Is no matter what it looks like, it doesn't matter what it looks like. Keep pushing. Never dim your light for no one. If they cannot stand in your light, they need to go get some shades or something. But don't dim your light. Don't turn it off. Don't dumb yourself down for nobody. Love you first before you love someone else. Take care of you first before you take care of anyone else. Because ain't nobody gonna take care of you the way you take care of you. Peace, love, and light. This is Kicking It with Pink. Y'all favorite auntie. I was just playing. I ain't old, y'all. Stop now. Let me stop. No, for real. Peace, love, and light. I love y'all. See you later.